बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तर्जुमा अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू जो निहायत मेहरबान रहमत वाला है। You are watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. The Wise Old Owl, complete story in English. In a big forest, an old owl lived inside a hollow tree. He rarely spoke but carefully observed and listened to everything around him. While other birds wasted time in chatter, the owl quietly learned from their mistakes. Over the years, everyone began to respect him as the wisest bird of the forest. Moral: true wisdom lies in listening more and speaking less. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You were watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. We'll meet again with another heartfelt story. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.